Good morning. Today is an exciting day. Today we go on the Checkmate's first official sea trial of the new season. She looks good. So I'm launching out of Watson Island Marina near Miami Beach, and I'm gonna use this as an excuse to go take my boat to work because today's Friday. Today starts the Key Largo poker run, and I want to take the Checkmate. So I'm gonna be away for the past few days, and I'm not gonna use that. All right, here we go. First official boat ride of the season. Got a little miss. Like she bogs out a little bit. The Boat Vibes curse. I blew a lower unit. I don't know what happened. It just doesn't do anything. So we got towboat showing up, and he's gonna take me an hour back south to Watson Island Marina, where then I gotta go home. I gotta go to Ronnie's shop. I gotta get Ronnie's lower unit. I gotta put it on. And we're back in the water, and I'll worry about buying myself a new lower unit sometime next week. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Shout out to Boat US, non-sponsored, but he got here in less than 30 minutes. One of the reasons why I love this boat so much is because of the cabin. Being able to get away from the sun and lay down. Always something. What are we gonna do? It's part of the game. Ahí está bien, ya. Ahí. Now this guy is real sketchy. Truck has no plates. Trailer has no plates. I told him about leaving his ladder down. He's like, "Thank you so much, man. Police is watching. Thank you." And there's a cop right there. He's paranoid that there's a cop right there. Sketchy. Yep, it's fucked. All the way up.